In order to find passwords stored on your iPhone 16e, what you need to do is find the Passwords app that you should have by default, for example, in the Utilities folder in the home screen, but you can also find the app in the app library. So once you go to Password, you might need to use Face ID or the passcode in order to proceed. And after that, what you can do is you can choose one of these categories in order to start searching for the password. You can also search, of course, over here. And let's say I will go to Wi-Fi in order to find the Wi-Fi password. You will find the list of all Wi-Fi connections that you have been connected to. And then if you tap on the data, the Wi-Fi in this example, then you should be able to find password over here. And I can tap on this hidden password in order to reveal it. And also I should be able to copy the password as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!